How to get voice chat in Roblox Mobile. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to get voice chat in Roblox Mobile. First, open the Roblox application and you will be taken to the home page of the app, just like you can see here. Once you are here, tap on the More option, which is the icon located at the bottom right side of the screen. When you tap on it, you will land on this page where you will see different sections that give you access to various features and settings of the app. Scroll through these sections until you find the one labeled Settings, as shown here. Make sure you tap on it. This will open a new page where you will see different options to manage and customize your account settings, just like you can see here. From these options, select Account Info. Once you open this section, you will land on a page that displays all your account information. Now, for the voice chat feature to become available, make sure both your phone number and your email address are verified. If either of these is not verified, the voice chat option will not appear on your account. Another important step is verifying your identity. Without identity verification, the voice chat feature will remain unavailable. Make sure you complete that process as well. Once you have verified your phone number, email, and identity, go back to the main settings page. Next, tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions, and the section will expand to show more options, just like this. From the options that appear, tap on Communication. This will take you to a page where you will see different communication-related settings, and among them should be the voice chat option. You can enable it from here if all requirements are met. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to get voice chat in Roblox Mobile.